Let's create a State of Tennessee Virtual Mesonet using Cloud, the Mesonet Management Platform from Weatherstem. My Tennessee Mesonet is going to have a single station in each of Tennessee's 95 counties. I'll start with this Excel spreadsheet that has a list of each county. The required headings for this Excel document are name and handle. A handle is sort of like a unique identifier for a Mesonet station. I can identify the location of a station either by specifying its latitude and longitude or indicating a physical address. Any other field in my spreadsheet is arbitrary and will be added to my Mesonet as sortable metadata. In my file, I've added the name of the city that my station is in and the population of the county. I've saved this spreadsheet in a folder on my desktop called Tennessee as Manifest. In that folder, I also have an icon as well as a tiny little configuration file that lets me specify the name of my Mesonet as well as some other basic information like should it be publicly accessible. I've also created a little icon to represent my stations. I'm going to right-click on this folder and choose Compress. It will create a zip file for me. Now, I'm going to log into Weatherstem Cloud at cloud.weatherstem.com. My username is tennessee@weatherstem.com. Once I'm logged in, I'll choose the My Mesonets link. I'll choose the up arrow, which indicates I want to upload a Mesonet. I'll navigate to the zip file I created earlier and upload it. Within seconds, I have my Mesonet. I'll click Go to Mesonet. In my Mesonet, there are an infinite number of things that I can do. As a small example, I'm going to chart temperature, wind speed, and sulfur dioxide concentration. I'll also view that alongside population. I'll add proximity to closest lightning activity. I'd love to show you more about Cloud. Send me an email at ed@weatherstem.com and I'd be happy to set up a time to talk to you and show you how exciting a Cloud Mesonet can be once we start adding weather stations and cameras to our virtual stations, as we've done for the Florida Severe Weather Mesonet shown here.